Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix Instagram new account creation problem. For example, if you try to create a new account on Instagram and you are having a problem with the creation of a new account, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So what you have to do, you have to simply follow these steps. So first of all, you have to simply check your internet connection, and here you have to simply turn on your Wi-Fi, and you have to restart your Wi-Fi router. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply update the Instagram app. For this, you have to simply open the App Store, and here you have to simply search for the Instagram app. And here you have to make sure that it is showing any kind of update. Then you have to simply update the app. And after updating the Instagram app, you have to clear the app cache and data. For this, you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general, and after that you have to go to iPhone storage, and you have to look for the Instagram app, and here you have to simply click on offload app. And after offloading the app, you will find the option of reinstall the app. So here you have to simply reinstall the app. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply try a different device or browser, which means you have to simply create your account in different device, or you have to try to create your account in a browser. And moreover, you can also try to change your phone number or email you are going to create. If you have recently created multiple accounts, Instagram might have restriction. Try using a different phone number or email address. Moreover, you can also log out of other accounts, and you have to simply create new account after logging out other accounts. Moreover, you have to check whether you do not have any kind of restriction may have temporarily restricted your ability to create new accounts. So for this, you have simply contact the Instagram support, and you have to tell Instagram that you are unable to create a new account. Moreover, you can also restart your device, and also you can use a incognito mode, private mode, and you have to simply report this issue to Instagram help center. So here you have to simply search for the problem, and after that you have to simply report it to the Instagram team, and they will connect to you and solve the problem for you as soon as possible. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.